decide what to do. So we did a little bit of blues in the beginning, and then we threw a throw move at the end. So we started with just some things you can practice at home with blues. Remembering that rhythm is swung, so you want to delay quick most of the time. Occasionally you'll have a quick delay in blues, so it's not just that straight time, it's a triple step, or triple step. So you want to make sure that your feet are matching that rhythm and emphasizing that, and especially delaying the two. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The other piece of that was we talked about swinging our bodies, and we talked about partial full delay. So if my head weight's over here, I have that partial weight transfer, and then the delayed weight transfer. A partial weight transfer, and then a delayed weight transfer. So those are things you can practice on your own at home to really help you dance the blues. And then we talked about basically ball changes. So like some sort of action, ball change, so that you can have a triple action in your blues dancing and emphasis. So we did things like knee pops. You can do a one knee. You can do points in like any direction. Kicks. What do they call this? A brush. So any kind of like a brush, ball change, kick, ball change, point, ball change, knee, ball change, and then doing it with both feet. So you want to kick left and kick right. Practicing because it will depend on whether you lead, follow, and where you are in the pattern. So you can do that around your house by yourself, and also moving your triples. So not just staying in place, but like triple step. Where can I go? Can I do a heel? Can I do a toe? And just kind of like going outside your comfort zone with footwork. We talked about throws. And so we started with inside turn, past the leader's left side, with double inside turn. So it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Right? Then we practiced it with a right to right hand pull. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Right? Or we can end in closed, or we can end in open. If you're going to end in closed, you kind of have to race towards your partner. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stay close to end in that closed position. Followers, we did talk about that arm, getting it up out of the way. And then we talked about the rock and go. So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. And then we decided 7 was more comfortable. Rock and go 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. Yes. We smidge talked about telemarks, because if you wanted to add a telemark at the end, you could. Again, that's that kind of off of the rock and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then scroll around, and then do an inside turn, and then anchor. Followers, help your partner get around. So 1, 2, we throw. And then we just swap places like that. Pretty slick, yeah. But that's how we practice our scroll. So I think telemark in kind of like two skill sets. We have the rock and go with an inside turn, getting comfortable with that, and then the scrolling piece, which leaders hooking behind and really getting around quickly will help with that telemark action.